Meaning of hyperbole.
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 Hyperbole. Hyperbole is a figure of speech that involves exaggerated statements or claims, not meant to be taken literally. The purpose of hyperbole is to emphasize a point or create a strong impression. It is often used in literature, advertising, and everyday conversation. For example, saying "I've told you 1,000,000 times" is an example of hyperbole, as it is not possible for someone to actually tell another person something 1,000,000 times. Hyperbole can be an effective tool for adding humor, drama, or emphasis to a communication, but if overused, it can also become tiresome or lose its impact.